once you've been verified as being in a course and you've added that class to your course list, you're set to start turning in homework online. An easy place to go to do just that is to go over here to where it says Login and then to click My Page. When we look over here, we see an area that says My Classes, and as a matter of fact, we also see where it says Homework Due. I can click on that link and it brings me to a page where I can turn that assignment in. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Submit Homework. And from here, what I'll do is I'll go in and select Browse. Just a moment. Locate that paper, I see it here. I click Open. And we also have the option here to send a short message to our teacher. So maybe if we had questions about a requirement for that assignment, we could go in and place that in. All I do now is I click Upload. And then I wait for the confirmation that says your files are successfully uploaded. From there, you're going to be all set. Your teacher's going to be able to review your assignment.